Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a fundamental yet incredibly useful skill for anyone working in Figma, how to align objects using a key object. By the end of this quick video, you'll know exactly how to tidy up your designs with precision, making your layouts look more polished and professional. So let's jump right in. First up, open up Figma. Whether you're working in the desktop app or directly through your browser, it doesn't matter, the steps will be just the same. If you've never used Figma before, don't worry. Just launch the program and open a new or existing design file. Now imagine you're designing a user interface, maybe something like a row of buttons. Let's say you've got two shapes on your canvas. For this example, it could be rectangles, circles, or really any objects at all. Having two shapes will help us see exactly how Figma aligns objects relative to one another. It's a simple scenario, but it really sets the foundation for more complex arrangements down the line. Take a look at the two shapes you have. Are they a bit off-center? Maybe one is slightly higher or further to the left than the other. This is super common, especially when you're building out designs quickly by dragging and dropping elements. Alignment helps you quickly fix those inconsistencies to keep everything neat. The next step is to select both shapes. You can do this by clicking on one shape, then holding down the Shift key and clicking the other shape. You'll see both become highlighted. Alternatively, you can simply drag a selection box around them. Selecting the right objects is important because alignment tools only work with your current selection. If nothing's selected, nothing will move. Once you've got both shapes selected, turn your attention to the top right corner of your Figma screen. There you'll see a section labeled Position. This area is your go-to for all kinds of alignment and distribution tools. And when you're working with multiple objects, it really unlocks a lot of power in just a couple of clicks. Here comes the magic moment. To align both shapes to the left, simply click the Align Left icon underneath the position header. It looks like a little vertical bar with lines stacked to the left, pretty intuitive once you know what you're looking for. The key thing to notice is that Figma will shift both objects so that their leftmost edges are perfectly aligned. A quick tip here, if you want one specific object to stay in place as the key object, select it first, then hold Shift and select any additional objects. Figma will use the first item you selected as the anchor, so everything else will align to it rather than moving everything indiscriminately. This is really handy when you've placed something exactly where you want it and want the rest of your elements to snap in line. And that's really it. Just a few clicks, and you've brought your objects into clean alignment. It's a tiny detail, but it makes a huge difference in how your designs look and feel. Even professionals rely on these alignment tools every single day. Think of it like straightening a picture frame on your wall. It might seem minor, but it just makes everything look better. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and feel free to drop any questions or thoughts down in the comments. I always love hearing how you're using these tips in your own projects. And if you want more easy-to-follow design tutorials just like this, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.